Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope so you are fine and healthy. Today we are going to start the revision of your SST's book. Now open your books and notebooks. Unit number 1. Exercise questions. Your unit name is World Geography. Part 1 Maps. Question number 1 is what information would you find on the physical and political map? Physical map or political map? First, physical map. A physical map hills, mountains, rivers, valleys and other landforms. Or political map, a political or administrative map. It shows towns, cities and borders between countries. Question 2. Differentiate between meridians and longitude and parallels of latitude. The vertical lines are drawn from north to south, passing through the north and south poles. These lines running north to south are called meridian of longitude. उसके बाद parallel of latitude. The horizontal lines are drawn from east to west parallel to equator. These lines running east to west are called parallel of latitude. Question number 3. How do we show direction on a map? We show directions on a map through compass. Question number 4. How can we find a place on a map? Answer है we can find a place on a map with the keys and symbols. Next is unit number 2, World Climate. Exercise questions. In what ways does the climate affect our lives? Question number 1. Climate has a great effect on people and the way they live. Climate also has an effect on clothes we wear, the food we eat, and the way we spend our leisure time. Question 2. What are some of the factors that influence climate? The climate is influenced by many things. Hills or mountains can stop rain from falling in some place. Strong wind can bring rain clouds to some areas. Question number 3. What is climate change? Climate change is a change in the climate patterns of a region or on a global scale. The impact of climate change is becoming evident around the world. The use of fossil fuels has been the main contributor to climate change. Question 4. How can planting more trees can help reduce climate change? Trees act as the lungs of the earth. They take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen in the air. This way the air gets purified. आगे question 5. What can you as an individual do to control climate change? Plant more trees. Save water by turning off taps. Paper metal glass can be recycled. Prefer walk rather than traveling in vehicles. If you have any problem of understanding the lecture, then contact sir's official number. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.